Let's shift our focus. Delivery workers from platforms including Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon and Flipkart have announced a nationwide strike today. The strike, called by the Indian Federation of App-Based Transport Workers and the Telangana Gig and Platform Workers Union, is aimed at highlighting what they describe as deteriorating working conditions in the sector. Workers are demanding fair wage, stronger job security, better safety protections, while also opposing the pressure of 10-minute delivery models. The unions have sought government intervention, urging Labour Minister Mansukh Mandavia to address their exclusion from labour rights and social security.
हम 5 डिमांड रखे थे प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनीज के सामने। हमारा पहला डिमांड था कि जो पुराना पे आउट था वो पे आउट दिया जाए। जो आप एग्रीगेटर सारे प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनीज जो आप अपने चलाते थे, जैसे कि दसरा, दीपावली, रमजान, बकरीद, क्रिसमस, ऐसे टाइम ही नहीं, रेगुलर भी वही पेमेंट को आप इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करिए। दूसरा हमारा डिमांड है कि सारे प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनीज से 10 मिनट डिलीवरी इमीडिएटली उसको निकाल दिया जाए, सारे प्लेटफॉर्म कंपनीज। और तीसरा जो है, आईडीज ब्लॉक कर रहे हैं आप विदाउट एनी ग्रीवेंस मैकेनिज्म के, और वो क्यों आईडीज ब्लॉक कर रहे, क्या है उसका कोई जो है ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है। और फोर्थ, एल्गोरिथम, जो एल्गोरिथम कंट्रोल कर रहा वर्कर्स के बिजनेस के ऊपर, जो इंसेंटिव्स नहीं मिले जैसा प्लान कर रहे उसके ऊपर। जो फिफ्थ है कि ये सारे चीज के ऊपर जो है ग्रीवेंस मैकेनिज्म मिले और जो है सोशल सिक्योरिटी मिले।
समस्या ये पैसे नहीं देती सही से, 10-10, 15-15, 20-20 घंटे काम कराते हैं तो 1000-1200 रुपये काम होता है उसमें। इंसेंटिव भी बहुत कम कर दिया है और बहुत परेशान कर रही कंपनी। ये चाहते हैं टाइम, एक तो टाइम बाउंड हो जाए और ऊपर से पैसे सैलरी पे रख लिया जाए। हाँ, और हमारा जो इंश्योरेंस है वगैरह है वो भी टाइम पे मिले, इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं मिलता।
जैसे हम अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं रख पाते, आते हमें सबसे पहले ये होता है कि पहले गिग ऑन करें, अपने टारगेट कंप्लीट करें। हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, अगर इस टाइम पे नहीं आएंगे तो हमारे टारगेट्स जो होते हैं वो पूरे नहीं हो पाएंगे। शिफ्ट से ऊपर भी हमें काम करना पड़ता है सिर्फ टारगेट पूरे करने के लिए। जो मेरे को जो चोट लगी थी वो उसका तो कुछ है ही नहीं। ये उंगली ये देखिए मेरी पूरी फट गई थी, ये पूरी फटी पड़ी उंगली, ठीक हुई है। तो इसका भी जो खर्चा हुआ, जो इतने दिन में घर में बैठा हुआ था, वो भी कुछ नहीं मिला।
अगर डिमांड ये है सर, कंपनी ये है सरकार से कि हमारा इंश्योरेंस बने, अगर बाई चांस एक्सीडेंट हो जाए तो, और अगर बाई चांस अगर रास्ते में मृत्यु हो जाए उनका इंश्योरेंस मिले और क्लेम मिले, वाइफ को या मेरे परिवार को।
On New Year's Eve, the major strike that has created chaos in the gig economy is the strike called by the employees of many major platforms in the gig economy: Zepto, Swiggy, Amazon, and even Blinkit. All of these employees have called off in a collective protest against these major platforms a major strike. What has happened just days ago on 25th of December, leaving the online food delivery and the online delivery system in a state of crisis, is likely to be repeated today when we speak on the New Year's Eve, when in fact it is one of the most important days, busiest days for the online delivery. Joining me for a conversation is Apurva Sharma, who is in fact the App Karamchari Ekta Union. Thank you, Apurva, for speaking to us. In regards with the protest, or let's say the digital strike that is going to be taking place today as a repetitive strike after 25th of December, how exactly it is going to pan out, and what is the likely impact of these workers and the delivery people that are going to be a part?
Right. So there is, we are expecting that there is going to be interruptions in the operations of several companies today, right? And in several areas, this is fully expected. And we've seen that this is not the first instance of this happening, right? There is this unrest, this the workers are very dissatisfied with the companies and the way they have been operating for past 3-4 years.
All right, for more on this, we have Simran Babbar live with us. Simran, thank you so much for joining me on the broadcast. Of course, here the gig workers, the app delivery workers, they're finally hitting out against the pressures of this 10-minute delivery model, which of course, to begin with, is extremely problematic. They are asking for better job security. They are asking for other rights as well. If you could just take us through what their key demands are at this point.
Well, absolutely. Rightly, in fact, put in perspective, there is immense pressure growing on these delivery workers who are working and in this gig economy, working without a system that supports their working mechanism. And the demands goes on to state many reforms that are needed to be brought up either by these companies like Zomato, Blinkit, Swiggy, Amazon, in fact, for that matter. And over many months, the protests and the strikes over such demands has been growing. While the demands have been pretty focused on how exactly there have been an overlooking on the basic rights of these workers that should also be qualified to be given some sort of security in the system, including there has to be a pay parity. The payment system needs to be changed in a matter to be also strengthening them with better payment for the long hours that they put in and the long pressure that they are put under for the 10-minute delivery that you have also explained as far. While we also want to particularly emphasize on the fact that today as well is going to be a massive showdown of this strike. New Year's Eve is going to be one of the busiest days for the online delivery apps, and this is why exactly the timing has been chosen.
Absolutely. Now, Yesha, let me come to you on this as well here. There are some key demands that the gig workers have put forth, talking about how based on these 10-minute delivery models, other models, they're constantly focusing on completing their targets, complete reckless abandon of their care and safety that we are witnessing here. What can you tell us, Yesha?
Right here, in fact, you've rightly said that there is a strike that's been called at an all-India level. But in Mumbai, we're right here at Vidyavihar. This is one of the centers for Instamart, and the delivery services continue here as usual. In fact, when we try to speak to some of these gig workers, they refuse to speak on camera. But while speaking to us, they said that there's not much impact of this very strike in several areas of Mumbai. It's only certain areas, be it Chembur, be it Sion, be it Parel, which have been affected because of this strike. And here they've also gone further to mention that it's only one section of these gig workers, one union of these gig workers which has decided to go on strike, whereas the others continue to work normally, and which is why you see that there are several such gig workers, riders who are present here outside this very center. So, when it comes to Mumbai, in most of the areas, you see that there's not much impact of the strike that can really be seen. On the New Year's Eve, because clearly that was the concern that people had it on New Year's Eve. When gig workers go on strike, it could be a problematic situation. But in Mumbai, we see that situation seems to be quite normal. Yes.
All right, Yasha, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Thank you to you too as well. Simran, we'll of course continue to track all developments on this front. But with that, we're going to call it a wrap on this edition of the News Bulletin. Thank you so much for joining us on CNN News 18.